Not every trades business handles uncharged time the same way. With Fergus, you can create custom uncharged time reasons that suit your business. For example, you might want to add a paid uncharged reason like work meetings. These are internal events that your team gets paid for, but you don't charge to the customers. Here's how to set it up. Go to Settings, then click Time Entries on the left-hand side. In the Uncharged Reasons section, click the New Reason button in the top right corner. A pop-up will appear. Give your reason a clear name and choose whether it's paid or unpaid. This affects how it appears in the timesheet report. Finally, click Create and you're done. Now your new reason will be available when adding time in Fergus Web and on the Fergus Go app when your team are on the go. All uncharged labour will show in the timesheet overview report along with the reason logged. Want to clean things up? Just hit Archive on any reason you no longer use. Archived reasons stay at the bottom of the page. You can always bring them back if needed. And that's it, your uncharged time reasons are now tailored to your business, making time tracking smarter and more relevant.